All right, after considerable effort, this is done. Got all the lights in and the ceiling up. All the sheetrock is hung on the ceiling. This is the switch wire for the lights. I'll put the switch in when I do the walls. This is the switch for the fan. There's the fan. If I choose to use it, I might just seal those wires and stuff it in there. I don't know. Might be more trouble than it's worth. But what else? This outlet, I mean, you could plug the TV in here. TV's going to go someplace here. But I'd like the outlet to be hidden behind the TV instead of being lazy and just leaving it there. Yeah, good progress today. It's starting to look like something. Once I get all the walls up, then I'll do the floor, and then the kitchen will basically be last. I got this door to install, out opening door. Just going to buy an entry door and install it backwards and let it open out. Keep it painted real well so it doesn't rot. Yeah, I'll get an exterior door for that. All right, let's clean up a little bit and call it a day. I am thirsty and hungry.